really like it when we're vibing, but when I'm in another city, shh, be quiet.
Lights, camera, action. I like when my guests do the intro.
So I'm just a guest for you. So I'm Erin's boyfriend, or apparently I'm just a guest.
You're my boyfriend? You just witnessed that. What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today, as you can tell by all of these delicious treats in front of us, we're doing the hot pepper challenge.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
I thought we were just having snacks.
I don't actually think I've ever watched one of these, have you?
Me neither, no.
Okay, well we made up our own game. And basically we're going to be playing spin the Essentia bottle, and then whatever it lands on.
Habaneros?
That was just an example. Whatever it lands on, then we have to eat.
Habaneros. Those one with or those?
Jalapenos.
Jalapenos. We got those that are something. Wait, I don't remember. Chile de arbol. Yeah, those things. Yep, M&M's.
M&M's light in the mood.
We got those small. What are those again? I don't remember. We'll taste them anyways. Oriental hot chilies. And we got flaming hot Cheetos to just snack on.
And all the...
and all the in-betweens. We got wine, we got milk, we got Quebec beer. For Americans that don't really know geography, so Quebec is part of Canada, and that's where I come from, like right above here. If you can zoom in on that. This is editing girl. Good, thank you. Alright, we have to chug it. The loser starts.
The fucking Catalina wine mixer.
Damn it!
Never without my spicy water. I am literally the worst guest you're gonna have your videos ever.
You're the best guest.
Also, I'm really bad at English.
What? Wish me luck.
No.
Thank God.
Hot Cheetos.
This is the Cheeto.
Alright, so that wasn't that bad. Hot Cheetos. Oh, you're trying the
Serrano.
Serrano.
I'm scared.
I'm gonna be a gentleman. I'm just gonna hold it for you. Bite. Get it?
And if I don't swallow it?
Spit it somewhere. Hold that.
Okay, they're fine.
They're fine. Chugs milk for like 2 minutes. You good, baby?
I hope you get the worst one. A fucking Cheeto again?
More Cheetos. Alright, pepper for me. Oh.
I'm excited.
You want to look at me suffer? Not even spicy. Not for real. Not at all.
Nice.
M&M.
M&M's.
Hot Cheetos.
We love Cheetos. I'm just waiting like one of us is gonna...
Yeah. Alright, so this one we took earlier. Let's see if it was spicy.
My mouth is still burning from it.
Spicier than this one, but it has a spicy aftertaste though.
Yes. Don't drink milk. Don't drink milk.
I just want to reset.
I don't know if you actually eat these like dry, or are they cookable? Your eyes are burning. I don't know if you can eat these.
No, they're not for fucking decoration.
I think they're for rattles.
I'm gonna sample that.
My mouth is on fire. My mouth is on fire. You get more of the seeds?
Yeah.
And then you kissed me, and now my mouth is burning off. It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad.
That's what you get for kissing me.
Fine, I won't kiss you ever again.
It's over. Alright, so Erin and I are done.
Okay.
Spicy breakup challenge. She's after.
No.
Alright, if you beat me at rock, paper, scissors, I'm doing it.
Okay.
I always loved you. gonna be a good sport and I'm gonna take one with you.
Oh my god, we're the best.
This is gonna go horrible. Or not, we'll see.
Oh, okay. I know it's gonna come. I'm good now, and the heat is coming. Are you calm? Did it come?
Fuck me. So this was a bad idea.
That's not gonna help.
Nope.
My mouth is burning, but you ate like all those seeds.
Yeah, I got like all the seeds in my mouth.
We've tried everything. Oh, I didn't try this one.
It's really not, that was really not spicy though. It tastes like a bell pepper, to be honest.
Let me bite the tip. Said
So,
no one ever. I'm just worried it'll be a little bit spicy because like, my mouth's already on fire.
I'm just worried I'm gonna get diarrhea.
Oh, we should stuff these with like cheese. Oh, like a nutcracker. Let me do it to you.
Take it. Wait, you alright?
Can I try the beer?
I think we did try it. You can just see me on Quebec. Do you have a glass? Kiss me.
Opening my one. I'm gonna throw up.
What if I buy you sushis?
Okay. But do I win? It's not a challenge if you don't have a winner. I think I win because you cried.
I didn't cry.
You're crying right
It's because you left me. It's the fucking Catalina wine mixer.
It's the fucking Catalina wine mixer.
It's the fucking Catalina wine mixer.
I just hope we got the habanero part. Because I'm not doing it again.
We didn't get the habanero part. You have to do it again.
Alright.
Hot pepper challenge. Nice.
Oh, I got
Why
it.
did you do that?
Oh, I regret this. I regret this so much.
Oh, you spit it out.
You gotta puke. Are you sick?
Yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly had a great time.
I had the best time.
Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down low before you go. And I will see you guys next time for another video.
Alright. Stay classy, San Diego. Rum fucking burgundy! What's wrong with you? Why am I even dating you? For these.
Later, skaters!